Explosive twist in the Maharashtra Hafta Gate. Sachin Waze, who is at the heart of the controversy, has dropped a letter bomb on the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government. The explosive letter written by Waze to NIA and accessed by India Today indicts the Aghadi Netas in the bribery case. He has dragged Sharad Pawar, Anil Parab and Ajit Pawar's aide into the Hafta Gate. In the letter, Waze claims that in 2020, Anil Deshmukh had told him that NCP chief Sharad Pawar had ordered his suspension after he was reinstated. Waze alleges that Deshmukh had told him the minister will convince Pawar in return for 2 crore rupees. Waze alleges Deshmukh summoned him to Sahyadri guest house and asked him to collect 3 to 3.5 lakh rupees from 1,650 bars and restaurants in Mumbai. Sachin Waze, who is in NIA custody, has indicted another state minister, Anil Parab. He alleges Parab asked him to get 50 crore from the Saifi Burhani Upliftment Trust to close an inquiry against the trustees. Waze also alleges that Parab had asked him to collect 2 crore from at least 50 BMC contractors.
बीजेपी के लोग 2 दिन से ये कह रहे थे कि अनिल परब का नाम आने वाला है, अनिल परब को रेजिग्नेशन देना होगा। इनको कैसे पता था कि सचिन वाजे ऐसा कोई खत देने वाला है? इसका मतलब यह है कि सरकार को बदनाम करने के लिए जो रणनीति बनाई गई है और महाराष्ट्र के मंत्रियों को बदनाम करके सरकार को बदनाम करना है, ऐसा उसमें ये जो दिखाई दे रहा है, सामने सामने दिखाई दे रहा है।
Waze then names Darshan Ghodawat, who is said to be an aide of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The suspended police officer alleges Ghodawat had asked him to collect 100 crore rupees from illegal gutka sellers. The BJP has come out all guns blazing against the Uddhav Thackeray government.
वाजे की वसूली के पीछे ये तीनों दल के बड़े नेता हैं। यदि इनमें नैतिकता बची है तो जिन शिवसेना नेताओं का मंत्री का नाम लिया है, क्या महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री उनका इस्तीफा लेने की हिम्मत देश को दिखाएंगे?
Sachin Waze claims that on all the occasions he expressed his inability to extort money. He also exonerates the shunted Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, claiming he had discouraged him from collecting any hafta.